Navya.
And I am Jasleen. And we would like to welcome our respected coordinator, Mr. Minder, our teachers and all our dear friends to the IT quiz competition.
This is a game of mind, intellect, interest, fun and joy. I would now like to request the teams to introduce themselves.
My name is Ayushi Gupta, class 3. My name is Garima from class 3C.
Vanya Gulati from 4C.
Kanajit Gudara from 5A.
My name is Devroon Kaur from 4D. Chapman Singh from 3rd C. Diksha Gupta from 3rd B. Jia Panu from 5D. Harshita Sharma from 3C. Tanmay from Sana Goyal from 3rd C. Noor from 5D. Tanveer from 3rd E. Ayush Sharma from 4B. Pulkit Rama from 5C. Dinishka from 3B.
Thank you. Now, we would like to acquaint you with the rules and rounds of the quiz.
There will be 5 rounds in the quiz. Round 1, My Computer. This will be an MCQ round. Round 2, Visual round. Round 3, Expand Me. Round 4, Out of the Box. And round 5, Rapid Fire round.
Rules of the competition will be questions not answered by any team in round 1, 2 and 3 will be passed to the next team for bonus points. Each correct answer will fetch you 10 points and each correct answer for past question will add a bonus of 5 points. Questions will not be passed to the next team in round 4 and 5. 30 seconds will be given for answering the next question and 15 seconds if the question is passed.
10 seconds will be given for answering rapid fire round. Each team will be asked 4 questions in round 5 and it will carry 1 mark each.
So let's begin. So, let's begin with round 1, My Computer. First question is for Aspen House. 1 megabyte is equal to A. 1240 kilobytes, B. 1000 gigabytes, or C. 1024 kilobytes.
1024 kilobytes.
That's the correct answer.
Question 2 for Siddharth House. Printed copy is often called A. Print copy, option B. Soft copy, option C. Hard copy, or option D. Right copy. No prompting of answers, please.
Hard copy.
That's the correct answer.
Question 3 for Maple House. This type of plug helps to connect a digital camera and iPod as well as other peripheral devices to the computer. A. AUP, B. BIOS, C. CPU, or D. USB.
Children, please don't prompt answers. Your team will be disqualified.
USB. That's the correct answer.
Question 4 for Team D Oak House. Which software allows you to view websites? A. Word processor, B. Spreadsheet, C. Web browser, or D. DTP software.
C. Web browser.
That's the correct answer. Question 5 for Aspen House. A program designed to destroy data on a commuter which can travel to infect other commuters is called? A. Disease. B. Torpedo. C. Hurricane. Or D. Virus.
Virus.
That's the correct answer.
Question 6 for Siddharth House. Charles Babbage, known as the father of computer, belongs to which country? A. England. B. China. C. Japan. Or D. Russia. No prompting. That's the correct answer.
Now for Maple House. Dash is a very useful tool to select a color from an existing object and fill it into any other object. A. Fill with color. B. Color picker. C. Color. Or D. None.
No prompting, please.
B. Color picker.
That's the correct answer.
Question 8 for Oak House. Where does a computer store data and instructions? A. Memory unit. B. Control unit. C. Input unit. Or D. Output unit.
A. Memory unit.
That's the correct answer.
Now, let's move on to round 2, visual round. First question for Aspen House. Identify the famous IT personality.
No prompting, please.
Time up. The question passes to Shroud House.
Question passes to Maple House.
Sundar Pichai, Google CEO.
That's the correct answer. Question 2 for Siddharth House. Identify the IT personality. Please maintain silence. Question passes to Maple House.
Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft.
That's the correct answer.
Now for Maple House. Identify the IT personality.
Please maintain decorum, no prompting, please.
Mark Zuckerberg.
That's the correct answer.
Next question for Oak House. Identify the famous personalities. Please keep quiet. No prompting, your team will be disqualified.
Larry Page and Sergey Brin.
That's the correct answer.
Now, the next question is for Aspen House. Identify the logo.
Sky.
That's the correct answer.
Next one for for Siddharth House. Identify the logo. No prompting, please. The question passes to Maple House. The question passes to Oak House.
Wikipedia.
That's the correct answer.
Now for Maple House.
Please maintain decorum.
Twitter. That's the correct answer.
Oak House, identify the logo.
Amazon.
That's the correct answer.
Now for Aspen House. Identify the game.
Angry Birds.
That's the correct answer. Please maintain decorum. Your team will be disqualified.
Now for Siddharth House.
Candy Crush.
That's the correct answer. Now for Maple House.
Hill Climb.
That's the correct answer. Oak House.
Temple Run.
That's the correct answer.
Now let's have an audience round for all of you.
If you know the answer, just raise your hands and please maintain decorum while doing so. Question is, Mac operating system is developed by which company?
IBM or Apple?
Apple.
That's the correct.
The next question, where is the headquarters of Microsoft Office located? Washington or New York?
No, don't speak.
Washington.
That's the correct answer.
Next question. Which one is the latest release of Windows client operating system? Which one is the latest release of Windows client operating system?
Windows 10.
That's the correct answer. Now let's begin with round 3. Expand me. First question for Aspen House. Expand ISP.
No prompting of answers if you want your team to be disqualified.
Internet Social Protocol.
That's the wrong answer. The question passes to our house.
No prompting, please. This is not an audience round. You will not be given a chance.
Question passes.
Internet service provider.
That's the correct answer.
Next question for Siddharth House. Expand URL. Please maintain decorum. The question passes to Maple House.
Uniform resource locator.
That's the correct answer.
Now for Maple House. Expand BCC.
Please maintain decorum and no prompting or your team will be disqualified. The question passes to Oak House.
Line carbon copy.
That's the correct answer. Now for Oak House.
Expand www.
World Wide Web.
That's the correct answer. Now, two questions for audience. Total number of function keys in a computer keyboard are
42.
That's the wrong answer. Please maintain decorum. That's the wrong answer.
25.
Wait.
Please maintain decorum and sit on your seats.
That's the correct answer. What is the full form?
We would like to welcome our principal ma'am and enrichment head Subhi Mishra.
Our next question. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? What is the full form of Wi-Fi? Please maintain decorum.
Wireless modem.
That's the wrong answer.
Wireless 3D. Wireless 3D.
That's the correct answer. Now, let's move on to round 4, out of the box.
There will be no passing of questions in this round. Question 1 for Aspen House. Which day is celebrated as World Computer Literacy Day? No prompting of answers.
Don't we get where are the organizers?
Time is up. The correct answer is 25th December. Question 2 from Dar House. Who is known as the human computer of India?
Please maintain the decorum, no prompting of answers. The correct answer is Shakuntala Devi.
Now our third question for Maple House. Name the first Indian animation movie.
No prompting of answers or your team will be disqualified. Since Maple House is not able to answer, we'll ask the question from the audience. Which is the first Indian animation movie?
शोले
That's the wrong answer.
Say for the sake of saying.
Please maintain decorum and sit on your seats.
Why is it so long?
Since nobody is able to answer, the correct answer is Roadside Romeo.
Now for Oak House. Name the first supercomputer developed by India.
No prompting, please. That's the correct answer. The next question for Aspen House. Name the first programmer to write programs for Babbage Analytical Engine.
Maintain decorum please or your team will be disqualified.
That's the correct answer.
Now Star House. What is meant by live bear?
No prompting of answers. The question passes to the audience. What is meant by live wire? Since nobody knows the answer, the correct answer is people who work with computer.
Next question from Maple House. 1 byte is equal to
This is not an audience question. Please lower your hands and sit on your seats.
One big.
That's the wrong answer. Audience, your turn.
That's the wrong answer. Please maintain decorum. Any answer? Please lower your hands. Next question for Oak House. The most common type of memory that the computer uses to process data.
Hard disk.
That's the wrong answer. The question passes to the audience. That's the correct answer. Now we have one audience question. .gif is an extension of .gif is an extension of. That's the correct answer. Please maintain decorum.
Now let's move on to round 5, rapid fire round. Just to remind you, 10 seconds will be given to answer the question, and each team will be asked 4 questions and each will carry 1 mark. Question 1 for Aspen House. Unjumble me. 10 seconds. That's the correct answer. Next question. Next question for Aspen House.
No prompting of answers.
Application.
That's the correct answer. Next question for Siddharth House. The correct answer is operating.
Now for Maple House.
Please maintain decorum. The question will pass to Oak House. Mirpal has given the correct answer.
ये सही हो रही
Now, till the time the scores are totaled, we have an audience round. Please maintain decorum, everyone. Which of the following is an example of non-volatile memory?
One question is left here.
Which of the following is an example of non-volatile memory? A. RAM. B. ROM. That's the correct answer.
Who is the father of the internet? That's the wrong answer.
That's the wrong answer. The correct answer is windsurf.
Now, our question for rapid fire round for Oak House. 10 seconds.
Template.
That's the correct answer.
With this, we finish.
हमारे 86
First is Oak with 86 points. Second is Maple House with 66 points. Third is Aspen with 51 points. And fourth is Dal with 30 points.
This is a game of mind, intellect, interest, power, and joy.
For today, our scoreboard charges are Isha and Sugit.
And our timekeepers are Ananya and Palak. I would now like to request the teams to introduce themselves.
Good afternoon. I'm Yuvraj from Aspen.
Hello, I'm Akshit from Aspen.
Good afternoon, Akhil from Aspen.
I'm Sachin.
I'm Gurunji.
I'm Aditya Thakur.
I'm Nishvi Singh.
I'm Harmeer Harsani.
I'm Manik Chaudhary.
I'm Rishabh Charadia.
I'm Kandur.
Speak louder. Pass the mic to them better.
I'm Ananya.
I am Devan.
I am Akshat.
I'm Ruhani. Now, we would like to acquaint you with the rules and rounds of the quiz.
There will be 5 rounds in the quiz. Round 1, my computer. This will be an MCQ round. Round 2, visual round. Round 3, expand me. Round 4, out of the box. And round 5, rapid fire round.
The rules will be questions not answered by any team in round 1, 2 and 3 will be passed to the next team for bonus points. Each correct answer will fetch you 10 points and each correct answer for past question will add a bonus of 5 points. Questions will not be passed in rounds 4 and 5. 30 seconds will be given for the answering a direct question and 15 seconds if the question is passed.
10 seconds will be given for answering the rapid fire round. Each team will be asked one question in round 5 and it will carry 1 mark.
So let's begin. Let's start with round 1, My Computer. Question 1 for Aspen House. Dash was the first popular web browser released in the year 1993. A. Mosaic. B. Internet Explorer.
A.
That's the correct answer.
Question 2 for Siddharth House. Who is the father of female? A. Raymond Samuel Tomlinson. B. Sabir Bhatia. C. Narayan Murthy. Or D. Bill Gates.
That's the correct answer. Now for Maple House. In MS Word, which shortcut key is used to increase the font size of the text? 1. Ctrl plus F. 2. Ctrl plus Alt plus F. C. Ctrl plus Shift plus the greater than sign. Or 4. Ctrl plus Shift plus X.
C.
That's the correct answer.
Question 4 for Oak House. Which of the following keys is pressed to switch between the running applications? A. F1. B. Alt. C. Tab. Or D. Hold down Alt and press Tab.
Tab.
That's the wrong answer. The question passes to Aspen House.
D.
That's the correct answer.
Now for Aspen House. What is modulation? Transmission of data in the form of light, conversion of digital data to analog data, transmission of data in the form of sound, or conversion of analog data into digital data.
B.
That's the correct answer.
Next question for Siddharth House. Dash was the first PC virus designed by Farooq Alvi brothers. A. C. Brain. That's the correct answer.
Now for Maple House. The speed of CPU is measured in A. MB, B. Gigabytes, C. Megahertz, or D. TB.
C.
That's the correct answer.
Next question for Oak House. Which number system do we use in our day-to-day calculations? A. Binary. B. Octal. C. Decimal. Or D. Hexadecimal.
Binary.
Decimal.
Whatever is the second one, discuss it. Tell the final one.
Decimal.
That's the correct answer. We finished with the first round. Now we have an audience round.
The first question for audience. What is the maximum number of data series in a chart in Excel? What is the maximum number of data series in a chart in Excel?
That's the wrong answer. 225. That's the wrong answer.
356. That's the wrong answer. That's the right answer. The answer is 255. Please maintain decorum in the auditorium. Now we begin with round 2. Identify Identify the IT company to which the following logos belong.
First question for Aspen House.
Sky.
That's the right answer.
For Cigar House.
Adobe.
That's the correct answer. Now for Maple House.
Don't disturb them. No prompting of answers. Be quiet. Maple House, please repeat the answer.
Tuxpan.
That's the wrong answer. Oak House. A question passes. Your time's up. The question passes to Aspen.
UNIX, Unix,
Wrong.
Linux, Linux,
That's the correct answer. Now for Oak House. No prompting of answers, please. That's the correct answer.
Identify the young titan in the field of IT. Aspen House.
James Bosley,
That's the wrong answer. The question passes to Cigar House.
Jack Dorsey,
That's the correct answer.
Now for Cigar House.
Ashok Jain.
That's the wrong answer.
Narayana Murthy,
That's the wrong answer. It passes to Oak House.
Sabir Bhatia.
That's the wrong answer. It passes to Aspen House.
Can we answer? Sabir Bhatia. Can we answer?
No. The round ends. Aspen. Now the question passes to the audience. Does anyone from the audience know the answer? Please maintain decorum in the auditorium. The correct answer is Vinod Dham. He is the father of Indian children. Please maintain decorum in the auditorium. Next question for Maple House. Please silent here. No prompting of answers unless you want your team to be disqualified. The question passes to
Tim Berners-Lee.
That's the wrong answer. The question passes to Aspen House.
Jimmy Wales.
That's the correct answer. Now for Oak House.
Please maintain decorum, no prompting of answers.
It's Narayana Murthy.
That's the correct answer.
Now for Aspen House. Ping. That's the correct answer. Star House, your turn.
Snapchat,
That's the correct answer. Maple House.
question passes to Oak.
Pass.
Aspen House.
Print.
That's the wrong answer. Siddharth House.
The no internet connection symbol of YouTube.
That's the wrong answer. Audience.
Since no one knows the answer, the correct answer is Go language. Now for Oak House.
No prompting.
Data school.
That's the wrong answer. Aspen House.
Unity.
Wrong answer. Cedar House.
Dignity.
That's the wrong answer.
Ingress.
That's the wrong answer. The audience, your turn.
Wrong answer. Yes, Beta.
Dropbox.
No, wrong answer. Give me the answer.
Since no one knows the answer is Magento. Let's move on to round 3, expand me.
Aspen House. No prompting of answers.
Universal Service Board.
That's the wrong answer.
Universal Serial Bus.
That's the correct answer. Cedar House, your turn.
American Standard Code for Information.
One more eye.
Wrong answer.
Next. Maple House.
American Standard Code for Internal Information.
That's the wrong answer.
American Standard Code for Institute of Information.
That's the wrong answer.
American Standards Code of Information.
That's the correct answer. Now for Maple House.
Please maintain decorum.
Pass.
Oak House.
Pass.
Aspen House. Cedar House. Audience, your turn.
Anybody from the audience? The correct answer is International Mobile Equipment Identity.
Now for Oak House.
No prompting of answers. Please maintain decorum.
Portable document file. That's the wrong answer.
Printable document file.
That's the wrong answer. That's the correct answer. Now it's time for audience round again. The question is, name the extension of a QBasic file.
Very good.
Geography.
No. What? Given. the correct answer.
Now it starts in round 4. Just to remind you, there will be no passing in round 4 and 5. So let's begin.
Identify the tagline.
Big basket. No, that's the wrong answer. Audience. Since no one knows, the answer is Amazon.com.
Please, no prompting, please.
Microsoft.
That's the correct answer. Maple House.
Hitachi.
Wrong answer.
Correct answer is Panasonic.
Oak House. No prompting of answers. Please maintain decorum in the auditorium.
Come on, guess it. How are you? Anybody from audience?
The correct answer is Vodafone. Next question for Aspen House. Please maintain decorum in the auditorium.
Audience.
Samsung.
That's the wrong answer. The correct answer is Stanford University Network.
Next question for Siddharth House. What is the maximum number of primary partitions that can be created on a hard disk?
Eight. That's the wrong answer. Audience.
Yes, Sahaj. Yes, very good. 440.
That's the correct answer. Now for Maple House. Which protocol is used to receive email?
No prompting of answers.
Audience. The answer is POP3.
Next question for Oak House. What is the name given to a network designed to allow communication within an organization?
Intranet. That's the correct answer. Now let's start the rapid fire round.
10 seconds will be given to answer each question. Question 1 for Aspen House. What is a search engine?
It is an website which is used to website which is used to search things on internet regarding anything like Google.
That's the correct answer. Siddharth House. What is cloud computing?
Cloud computing is a modern day using technology which stores data and services on the internet, and it can be used accessed anywhere on the internet.
That's the correct answer. Maple House.
What is the character limit for a tweet that you can post on twitter.com?
10,000.
That's the correct answer. For Oak House, founded by Gordon Moore, they are the largest chip makers in the world.
Intel.
Which company? That's the correct answer.
With this, we finish with our IT quiz. Now we have a few questions for the audience till the time the results are compiled. Please maintain decorum.
Audience, what is a blue brain project?
Please maintain decorum. The answer is cloning of human beings, of human brain.
Next question. What is cyberbullying?
Please sit on your seats and maintain decorum.
That's the correct answer.
Please maintain decorum. The next question for audience. What do you mean by liverware? Liveware.
It means people who work with the computers. Next question. Computer hard disk was introduced in 1956 by
Please maintain decorum.
961.
Computer hard disk was introduced in 1956 by
the correct answer is IBM.
And Maple House secured the fourth position with 21 points.
Alright children, we still have some time. We've got about 15-20 minutes left. Very quietly go pick up your bags and go back to class. And class teachers can be with their classes.